Good morning. How's everybody doing? All right, today's Saturday, so it's time to get out. So I'm heading to Sam's. And then while I'm there, God knows where I will end up. I might end up at Lowe's or Home Goods or Tuesday morning. Who knows? We'll find out. So let's go ahead and then head to Sam first because we need some food in that house. All right. All right, guys. So I went to Sam's, but I went without having breakfast. So I was very, very hungry over there. So I rushed back home. I had something to eat, some little spaghetti. I ate that. Then I ran back out, get to the Lowe's and Walmart, and I'm back home. So I'm going to show you guys what I got. Okay. So there we go. So here, this is Sam right there. So try to get a little bit of everything that I needed at Sam. All right, so I got myself some bacon. I've been craving bacon for a while now. So I got that. Okay. I got my bacon. And then this, sorry, I'm flipping you around so fast. I got myself some Jimmy Dean sausages. I've been craving those two things for breakfast. I know it's not the healthiest thing. Well, I like what I like. I haven't had them for a long time. So I'm going to have those. Okay. I found this jasmine rice. I'm going to give it a try and let you guys know. I found that at Sam. It says jasmine, Thai, fragrant, long grain rice. I'm going to give it a try tomorrow, as early as tomorrow. I'll give it a try and then I'll let you know how I like it. Okay, we got some, I got some chips. Okay, and I have a lot of carrots here. For those of you who know me, I drink carrot juice every day. So every single day, I have carrot juice, except for Saturday and Sunday, because this is when we go and buy more and make more. So on Saturdays, we get more bags of carrot, and on Sunday, Papi juice them. So those are my carrots. I think each week we use 2 bags, okay? So and then we put them in the fridge. I'll show you how I make my carrot juice blend. Got myself some avocado, some sweet corn here, some tangerine. Got those, and I usually get this in the morning for breakfast. I think that's the only juice we buy. We don't make ourselves. So that's orange juice. So we usually buy orange juice. We don't make it ourselves most of the time. I picked this box of G-Feed corn mix. I think I'm gonna try to make some muffin, and I'm gonna try to make some labouille maïs, some cornmeal porridge with this. I'm gonna give it a try, and I'll bring you guys along. And those are my lime and lemon. Those are going into the juice. Okay. When I juice the carrot, I was out of butter. Got some butter, unsalted butter. Okay. So when you go to these stores like Sam's or Costco's, you got these bulk stuff. You have products for months, you know. So that's a big saving right there for you. All right. My husband is always asking for pasta. He loves these elbows and with some little meat in there. So I got him this box of pasta so I can make pasta for him. I'm not really a pasta person. I like spaghetti, but not these. I will eat them, but I'm not crazy. But Papi likes it, so I buy that for him. Now, this is my favorite right there. Those are the small potatoes. They call them, what, baby potatoes? Or buttered potatoes, who knows? The small ones. Those are my favorite for breakfast and scrambled eggs. You know how I like my breakfast with my scrambled egg. And this is Papi's snack. his shortbread cookie. Of course, my snack is over there. All right, he's gonna eat mine too. So go figure. And we got ourselves some banana, strawberries. Those are going to go into the juice, the carrot juice. Okay, and that's the salsa for the chips over there. I got myself some coconut oil. Last time my friend Patty was here, she gave me that idea because we usually put coconut milk in our rice or cornmeal with beans. And she said, B, what if you cook, you wanted to add extra coconut flavor? Could you use coconut oil? I said, yeah, we could. And I found this at Sam's, so I grab a jar of that so I can cook some rice with that, and I'll let you know how it tastes. I found this pinto beans, 12 pound. I think it was $7 and change when I jumped on that one. This is gonna make us some good rice and beans or a cornmeal with beans. This is gonna be awesome. Man, we have a lot of good recipe coming up, I'm telling you. And of course, we have to have our drink on. That's my first time gonna try those. I like sweet wine, so I'm not sure how sweet those are. Those are Moscati. They're supposed to be sweet, from what I heard. I don't know. I'm not a wine person. I just like to drink it. And that one said dulce, so it's super sweet. All right, so we'll give it a try, you know. And then of course we got some croissant. Papi like croissant. He called them pate. And we got some eggs, all right, and I got a case of water, all right. So this is, oh, and some tissue here, some bad tissue, all right. So this is everything that I got at Sam, all right. So we got all that, and we're gonna make some good food right there with those. Okay, then I told you I went to the Walmart. All right, that's what I got at Walmart. Got myself some tomatoes, green pepper, red pepper, all kind of colors of the peppers. Shallots, man, shallots is very good. It gives a good flavor to your food. I like to add those in my string roll eggs and whatever other saute that I'm making. They are very delicious. I like shallot. Okay, got myself some broccoli too. And I bought a little basil plant. The last one I had died last year. So I'm gonna give it another try and then bring them in before it starts getting cold. So I'm gonna get this on my pot later on today. I got some plantain. I found a green plantain. Now, I don't know because I told you guys that Walmart has the good Dole plantain. You guys have been buying everything. I can't find it. So finally, today I went by and they had those. So I got myself some plantain. Those are going to make some good breakfast. Okay. With scrambled eggs, of course. I already posted a video on how to make that. Go watch it, guys. I mean, woo, can't go wrong. And also, there's another video where I fry them. Okay, go watch that too. All right, now I have some leek. I'm gonna make a soup with that. Okay, I'm gonna make a carrot soup with that this week. So stay tuned for the video coming up. And those are plantain as well, but those are ripe. Okay, those when they get to that level, I like to saute them in butter. Ooh, and then you eat that. If you have some chicken wings to go along with it, you're in heaven. And I have some beets. Okay, this is gonna get juiced also to go into the carrot. All right, so those are the Walmart finds. All right, that's all I got. Okay, and of course I went to the Lowe's. I already showed you what I got at the Lowe's. So that's it. All righty. So there we go. So there's a couple of good videos coming soon for you guys. All right, so stay tuned and thank you so much for spending time with me today. I appreciate that. If you like this kind of videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. That will really make me happy and encourage me to continue producing good videos like that for you. All right. Share and like, and you know what to do. All right, guys. So I'm going to clean my fridge real quick and put those in there.
Ha ha. Getting busy with the beat. Abonné, partagez, like. Getting busy with the beat, with the beat. Oh, oh. Getting busy with the beat, with the beat. Oh, oh. Bole pou ka konen tout sa ou pa konen yo. Nou prepare savon, nou prepare bon manger. Et bon pâté, et la griller. Getting busy with the beat. Getting busy with the beat, with the beat. Oh, oh. Getting busy with the beat, with the beat. Oh, oh. Nous fait savon, nous fait savon. Nous préparer bon manger créole. Manger créole qui bon dans jol. Getting busy with the beat. Cooking, well I baking, papier pas souping, cleaning the line of canina. Debo pas assumer la gagne. Bon savon, bon bagay. Cooking, baking, souping, cleaning.
very happy. I feel like I did something today. You know, when you feel accomplished. Yeah, that's how I feel today. So I got everything put away. I got everything. Let me flip you around So everything is put away. I did a little cleanup. You know, you saw me cleaning and putting everything away, sanitizing my surface and everything. So I'm very happy. I'm very happy. Everything is nicely away, you know. So did some dishes. So now everything is nice and clean. Put my fruits away. Let's see. So that is nice. In the meantime, by the way, I fixed myself some of the ripe plantain that I showed you guys earlier. So that I fixed myself. I just saute one of them in some butter, and I had some sauce, some chicken, you know, in the fridge. Warm that up and eat that with the plantain. Okay, and then I got my my fruit over there. I put that away. So this is what I keep in that big bowl here. Got some avocado. I think I forgot to mention that I got the avocado from Sam as well. So got some avocado, so tomato, and some of the ripe plantain. So everything is nicely put away. So this week is gonna be very good. So we're gonna have a lot of good stuff cooking. Which of course I have avocado. I'm definitely gonna make some cornmeal. All right. I already have a video on that cornmeal out there, so go check it out. All right. So okay, guys. So I think everything is nice and clean. And thank you so much again. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Alrighty. So I will see you at the next video. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Bye-bye.